Hello, my name is Sarah. This is my PhD speech. Today's world has changed the technology market, from cities to computers and much more. Of these technological developments, some of the most important is the messaging systems. Sending letters through mail is an instant method. Of this messaging system, the cell phone's text message is the most convenient. However, the use of this device is getting out of hand. Texting while driving has become one of the most newest and dangerous threats on the road. According to the article Danger on the Road, Texting While Driving, an 18-year-old who accidentally killed a bicyclist while he was driving and trying to send a text message at the same time. Newsweek, October 30, 2006. If all of you stop texting while driving on the road, then maybe the number of accidents will decrease to a great level. By knowing the problems of texting while driving, finding a solution to it and taking action, then maybe the things will change. Distracted driving is a life-threatening practice on highways. Text message is the most dangerous distraction while driving. Almost 80% of all vehicle accidents are the result of at least one distracted driver. The problem is that when a person removes one hand from the steering wheel and look at the phone to successfully send a text to someone, this takes up to almost all the driver's attention. So the driver loses concentration on the road and an accident can occur. According to the article, Ban on Highways Texting Catches Council notice states that a study that same year by the Virginia Truck Transportation Institute found that professional truck drivers were 23 times more likely to get into a collision when they texted. Arizona Daily Star, 2011. However, if we could understand the danger of texting on the road, then there would be less car accidents. When an accident occurs because of texting while driving, driver loses money and also their insurance premium will increase. According to the article, there are several bills that would restrict cell phones use in vehicles and one bill that proposes to ban texting on bicycles. Newspaper source St. Louis Post-Dispatch, 2012. In several countries, for example India, using the phone for any reason while driving is strictly prohibited. If we can make the people to stop texting while driving by providing them with the information on how texting can be dangerous. And we can reduce the risk of car accidents. If possible, we can tell the Senate to pass the laws that will put some restrictions on texting. Providing people with the information is the simplest and most effective method we can use. This will make a difference because people who know any information about texting while driving will understand the problems it causes. When they learn about this, they will feel more worried about texting while driving. If chose examples of gruesome accidents that have occurred from text driving, then they feel even worse. Also, we should tell them that they can save money, live longer and save time. According to the Governor's Highway Safety Association, there are 35 states that ban texting while driving and 9 states that prohibit using handheld cell phones while driving. Newspaper source Aniston Star, 2012. According to the article, even seek ways to stop texting while driving. Texting while driving is dangerous for anyone. But statistics show that teenagers run the greatest risk, said Ronald Medford, Deputy Administrator of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 2011. The first step we have to do to bring an end to texting while driving is to make people understand the problems with Then we have to provide them examples on accidents involving texting. If drivers who text, they are subjected to civil and criminal charges, then they will get a great fear on texting. Most importantly, we must avoid texting as well. If all of us were able to do these steps, then we surely bring a big decrease with car accidents. If everybody understands the problems of texting and their solutions, and then take action to help others understand the problems of texting, then the rate of accidents will decrease. Now we know the problems, solutions and actions about texting while driving. Please try to understand these things. We can prevent accidents and saves the lives of many people. We can tell everybody and working ourselves, and then we can stop number of accidents in the world, and road will be much safer. The development of technology is wonderful and great, but we must not let it take over us. Together, hopefully, we can save the lives of many.